the effects of a vaccine to a placebo, with participants randomly selected to receive either one. Some competitors like Moderna and Pfizer have already entered this final stage testing, but Johnson & Johnson's shots differ in that they don't need to be frozen, and those getting them may only need one shot, not two.
To Lilly and Rhode, it's also one of the largest trials, up to 60 volunteers in more than 200 locations around the world.
We really have to go. You could use me. And that's where we left the Celtics.
Yeah, a lot slower though. Everything's a lot.
Get backed up all the way to School Street. We're also seeing a few delays as you get onto 610, especially on the outbound side of Toby Street because of the ongoing construction. I'm Dan Mazzella, and that's a look at your southern New England traffic.
We're all feeling the weight of COVID-19. But for kids in poverty around the world, things are becoming desperate. Join Compassion International and provide for a family in poverty. Make your one-time $40 gift. Text HOPE to 83393.
Hey, your friend Sean Hannity here with some personal advice for home sellers. I prefer to work with a great, smart real estate agent that truly knows the local market and can give me the best advice and put the most money in my pocket. I'm talking about Nathan Clark at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. Nathan's family has been serving Rhode Island now for over 50 years. They are the #1 real estate team in Rhode Island now for the past 10 years. He can help you look at all the options with hundreds of potential buyers and helps your home sell at a price and deadline that you agree to, or he buys it. Now, you and Nathan will sit down and must agree on a price and time of possession, and Nathan will let you out of your contract at any time right up until you accept an offer. Now, with all the details involved in what is likely your largest investment, don't leave money on the table. Talk to the only agent in town I recommend. Call Nathan today, 401-232-7661, online at nathanclarkteam.com. That's nathanclarkteam.com.
Sometimes you don't realize how much something was bothering you.
Until it's gone.
And then you breathe a big sigh of relief. That's exactly how you're going to feel
After we work on magic at your house.
1-800-GOT-JUNK makes you feel happier in your home.
Cleaner
Stronger.
and more relaxed.
Like you just stepped out of a hot shower.
And are ready for anything.
Make your home a happy home. We make junk disappear.
All you have to do is point.
Call 1-800-GOT-JUNK.
Or visit 1-800-GOTJUNK.com.
At the push of a button, the news you want.